Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today's class I will be teaching how to calculate interest on capital. So I will be doing one sum to explain how to calculate interest on capital. Okay. So we will move on to question number 7, page number 114. I will read the question, watch the screen, then we will move on to the answer. Question number 7. The capital account of Begum and Fatima on 1st January 2018 showed a balance of 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. On 1st October 2018, Begum introduced an additional capital of rupees 10,000. On 1st May 2018, Fatima introduced an additional capital of rupees 9,000. Calculate interest on capital at 4% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2018. Yes, here two partners are there, Begum and Fatima. So first you have to calculate the interest on capital on their opening capital, and then you have to calculate on the additional capital also. Okay. They are starting the business on 1st January. So the accounting period starts from 1st January and ends on this 31st December of the same year. Okay. So first we have Begum here. She is introducing. She is having how much money she is investing? She is investing 50,000. Okay. So first we will calculate for Begum on opening capital for 1 year. So what is her opening capital? 50,000. So rupees 50,000. What is the rate of interest? 4%. 4% means what? 4% means what you have to put? 4 by 100. So that will give you 2,000 rupees. Rupees 2,000. Now she is introducing additional capital. Begum is introducing additional capital. She is introducing on 1st October 2018 additional capital. On 1st October 2018 she is introducing additional capital of rupees 10,000. So this one already I told you, the accounting period starts from January and ends on 31st December. So she is introducing only on 1st October. So from October to December you calculate how many months? October, November, December. So how many months interest you have to give? You have to give interest only for 3 months for the additional capital. Okay. So you write like this, on additional capital for 3 months. So she is introducing 10,000 rupees, 10,000 into 4%, 4 by 100, so only for 3 months, so 3 by 12. So that will give you 100 rupees. So totally her interest on capital is 2,100 rupees. That is Begum's interest on capital. Understood children? How I got this 3 months? She is introducing on 1st October. See, the accounting period is from January to December. So from October to December how many months? October, November, December. So the additional capital you have to calculate only for 3 months, that is 3 by 12. Okay. Next you have to calculate for Fatima. For Fatima, on opening capital for 1 year. So what is our opening capital for 1 year? 1 year beginning capital is 40,000. 40,000, rate of interest is 4%. So 4 by 100. So that will give you rupees 1,600. Then Fatima is introducing additional capital. How much capital she is introducing? She is introducing 9,000 rupees. 9,000 rupees when she is introducing? She is introducing on 1st May. So, from 1st May to December, you have to calculate how many months. So, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So, how many months? 8 months. For this 8 months, you have to give the interest on capital. Okay. So, that you write like this: on additional capital for 8 months. How much rupees additional capital is? Her additional capital is 9,000. Rate of interest 4/100. For how many months? 8 months. How many months? 8 months. So, 8/12. So, that will give you rupees 240. So, add both 1,840 rupees for Fatima. So, that will be our interest on capital. Interest on capital. Hope you understood, children. Thank you. Sum number 8, page number 114. Sum number 8, question number 8. First I read the question, understand the question, and then we will move on to the sum. From the following balance sheet of Subha and Sudha, who share profit and losses in the ratio 2:3, calculate interest on capital at 5% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2018. So, here it is given, the capital is given of Subha and Sudha, that is 40,000, 60,000, total 1 lakh, and some assets, liabilities also given, that we don't need, we need only capital. So, we will take the capital alone. Then drawings of Subha and Sudha during the year were rupees 8,000 and 10,000 respectively. Profit earned during the year was rupees 30,000. So, now in this question capital is given, some assets, some liabilities is also given. Assets and liabilities we don't need, we need only capital, that we will take, and then drawings of both the partners is given, that we will take, and the profit we need, that we will calculate. Okay. Now, before going to the sum, you see the profit. What is the profit? First we will take the capital, add the drawings, calculate the profit for both the partners, and then we will calculate the interest on capital. Okay. Now, why I have to calculate the drawings and the profit? Because you know already when you are writing the capital on the liability side, we deduct the drawings and what we do? We add the profit. Here you should know the opening capital. I have already told you interest on capital is always calculated on the opening capital. So, when you need the opening capital, you want to find out the opening capital, you have to do the opposite. What you have to do? You have to add the drawings and deduct the profit. So, when you add the drawings and deduct the profit, what you will get? You will get the opening capital. Okay. So, you put a format like this: particulars, then Subha, Sudha, rupees. Okay. Capital is already given there, that is the end of the year, closing capital is given. Capital on 31st December 2018 is given for both the partners, for Subha and Sudha. How much is the capital? 40,000 and 60,000, it is given there. Okay. Since it is closing capital, we are going to calculate opening capital. So, what you have to do? You have to add the drawings with this. Add drawings. So, drawings is also given there of both the partners. 8,000 and 10,000. So, add both 48, 70. Now, what is given in the question? Profit credited, profit already credited, and the total amount of profit is given. Total amount of profit, how much is given here? Total profit is 30,000. Okay, I will just show the calculation here down. 30,000 is the profit, but this profit how they are going to take, in what ratio? See the question, profit and losses in the ratio of 2:3. What is the ratio? 2:3. That is the first partner. For the first partner you have to calculate profit 30,000 into 2/5. From where I got this 5? This 2 plus 3 both you add, that will be for the first partner. And for the second partner, 30,000 into 3/5. Okay. So now you calculate the profit for both of them. So for first one it is 12,000 and second one it is 18,000. Can you understand, children? Total profit is given, total profit is 30,000, ratio is given 2:3. In this ratio you must divide the profit for both of them. So for the first partner, that is for Subha, 2/5. How I got this denominator 5? These two add these two, 2 plus 3, 5. Same way for the second partner also the profit is 30,000. You have to give in the ratio of 3/5. So first one will get 12,000, second one will get 18,000. So that profit, what you have to do here? You have to subtract the profit. Okay. So that you write it like this, less profit already credited. So for the first one 12,000, the second one 18,000, both you subtract, so that will give you 36,000, here 52,000. Okay. So this is the opening capital, that is the capital on 1st January 2018. Understood? This is the opening capital. Now what you have to do? Now you have to calculate the interest on this opening capital. Is it clear? Why I am preparing this statement? Just to calculate opening capital. How to calculate opening capital? Closing capital is given, take closing capital, with that you add drawings and deduct profit. So before deducting profit, total amount of profit is given, that you divide in the ratio of 2:3 for both the partners, and you calculate the capital on 1st January, that is the capital at the beginning, opening capital. On this opening capital only we are going to calculate interest on capital for both the partners. Okay. So now calculation of interest on capital. First we will calculate for Subha on opening capital. How much is our capital, opening capital? Just now we calculated. Subha's opening capital is 36,000. What is the rate of interest on capital? Interest on capital 5%. 5% means what? 5/100. So that will give you rupees 1,800. Next for Sudha, on opening capital, just now we calculated. What is Sudha's opening capital? 52,000. So 52,000 into 5/100, that will give you rupees 2,600. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.